In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install the Xbox app on your PC using either the official standalone installer or the Winget command line tool. Let's start with the easiest option, which is the official standalone installer. This method is ideal if you want a simple, guided setup and would rather not use any commands. First, open your web browser and go to the official Xbox app for PC page. Once you're there, click the green Download the app button. This will save the Xbox installer file to your computer. After the download finishes, open your Downloads folder and find the installer file. Double-click it to begin the setup process. When the installer opens, check the box to accept the Microsoft Software License terms. This step is required before the installation can continue. Then click Install. At this point, the installer will download the necessary files and unpack the application for you. Depending on your internet speed and system performance, this may take a few moments. Once everything is complete, click Launch to open your newly installed Xbox app. Now let's look at the second method, which uses Winget. This is a great alternative if you prefer a direct installation method built into Windows 10 and 11. Press the Windows key on your keyboard, type CMD, and open Command Prompt. In the Command Prompt window, type this command exactly, and then press Enter. Winget install 9 WZDN CRFJ 3 TJ SMS store. If this is your first time using Winget, you may be prompted to agree to the source agreements. If that happens, press Y and then press Enter to continue. Winget will then securely retrieve the package from Microsoft servers, download it, and install it quietly in the background. Once you see a message confirming that the application was successfully installed, you can close Command Prompt. At that point, the Xbox app should be installed and ready to use.